Yes students, I hope all of you have done exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, one linear inequality was given to you. You have to represent that on graph. But now in exercise 6.3, a system of linear inequalities means more than one linear inequality in single sum given to you, and we will represent it on single graph. So let us start exercise 6.3. See first question. In question number 1, linear inequalities are, first is x is greater than equals to 3 and second is y greater than equals to 2. X is greater than equals to 3, y is greater than equal to 2. We will plot the graph of this. You can take, when you will draw the graph straight line, then in place of inequality sign you can take equal to sign. Here let us suppose if you take here it equal to sign, it becomes x equal to 3, and in second equation it becomes y equal to 3. Now what is the graph for x equal to 2 and y equal to 2? X equal to 2 means line, x equal to 3, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is negative direction of x axis, this is positive direction of y axis, this is negative direction of y axis. Now x is equal to 3, at this point value of x is 3. Graph for x equal to 3, line parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis, which passes through x is equal to 3. This is the graph for x equal to 3. But now see inequality sign. Here x is greater than equal to 3. Greater than equal to 3 means value of x is more than 3. So which side you will shade for this line? Equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will draw dark this line. You will highlight this line, and now value of x on this side is more than 3, that's why you will shade this side of this line. This is the graph for first inequality, x is greater than equal to 3. Now for second, firstly we will draw the line for y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means line parallel to x axis and passes through y is equal to 2. Now here also equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will draw dark this line. Now y is greater than 2. In upward direction value of y is more than 2, that's why you will shade this line. Now if you see very carefully, this region is common for both the linear inequality. So this is the solution of system of linear inequality. Clear? It means the points which lies in this shaded region will satisfy this pair of linear inequality. So this is the graph for question number 1. Now see question number 2. Statement is given, system is question number 2, 3x plus 2y, this is less than is equals to 12. Second is x greater than equals to 1 and y is greater than equals to 2. Here also you can take here equal to sign, firstly you will make a table, means you will find out 2 points. If in this linear inequality you are taking here equal to sign, then if you put x is equal to 0, then what will be the value of y? It will be 6. Similarly, if you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 12 by 3, 4. Means these are the 2 points which satisfied this linear equation if you are taking equal to sign here. Similarly, these two linear inequality, after taking equal to sign, it can be written as y equal to 2 or x equal to 1. Now we will plot these firstly on the graph. Again this is origin, this is positive direction of x axis, this is positive direction of y axis. Now here if value of x is 0, then y is 6. Y 6 means this point, and at value of y is equal to 4, value of x is 4 means this point, and when you will join these 2 points, this is the line for this linear equation if you are taking equal to sign here. But we want to draw the graph for linear inequality. Now here less than equal to sign is given to you. Now equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will draw dark this line, you will highlight this line. Now which portion you will take? in the graph shaded portion. For this you will take origin point, coordinates of origin, you can say value of x and y is 0 0 at this point. Now put coordinates of origin in this linear inequality and check the result whether this is true or false. If you put here x equal to 0, y equal to 0, it gives you 0 less than is equals to 12 and 0 is less than equal to 12. This result is true. It means you will shade this region, the region towards the origin. So this shaded region is the solution for this first linear inequality. Now second is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 means line parallel to x axis which passes through y equal to 2, and x equal to 1 means again line parallel to y axis which passes through x equal to 1. Now shaded region for these two lines. Here x is greater than equal to 1. Value of x is greater than 1 on this side. So this is the shaded region for this second linear inequality. And for third linear inequality, y is greater than equal to 2. Y is greater than equal to 2. Value of y is greater than 2 in upward direction. So this is the shaded region for third linear inequality. And if you see very carefully, this triangle, this small triangle is the common region for all the three linear inequality. So this is the solution for this system of linear inequality. Means all the points which satisfied, which lies in this small triangle will satisfy this system of linear inequality. Means this shaded region is the, this common region is the solution of this linear inequality. So this is question number 2. Now see question number 3. In question number 3, third question, linear inequality is 2x plus y greater than equals to 6 and 3x plus 4y less than is equals to 12. For this also, firstly by taking equal to sign here, and we will make a table, means we will find out 2 point values of x and y. If you are taking y is equal to 0 here, then what is the value of x? X equal to 3. And if you are taking x equal to 0, then value of y is 6. Similarly in this case, if you are taking y is equal to 0, then value of x will be 4. And if you are taking x equal to 0, then value of y is 3. Now we will plot these points. This is origin. This is positive direction of x axis. This is positive direction of y axis. Now if you are taking this point x3 and y0, this is the point. Now x0 and y6, this point, and after joining these 2 points by straight line, here equal to sign is given to you, that's why again you will dart this line. Now which portion you will shade in this case? For this you take coordinates of origin, means 0 0, and if you put in place of x and y 0 0, then you will get 0 is greater than equals to 6. And if you see this result, this is false, and if this is false, it means you will shade the region which is away from the origin. Away from the origin means upward region. So this is the solution for first linear inequality. Now we will plot the graph for second. Here value of x is 4 and y is 0, means this point. Second is x0 and y3, means this point. And when you will join these 2 points, this is the line. Again in second case equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will highlight this line. Now shaded region, again put x equal to y equal to 0 0 here, then you will get 0 is less than equals to 12. This result is true. True means you will shade the region towards the origin. This is the region. So in these two linear inequality, or you can say system of linear inequality, this portion is common. These lines are going up to infinity. So this common region is the solution of this system of linear inequality. So this is question number 3. Now question number 4. This is also similar to question number 1, 2 and 3. I am explaining last question of this video, question number 4. And in homework you will do up to question number 5 this exercise. Question number 5 you will try yourself. In question number 4, linear inequalities are x plus y is greater than equals to 4 and second equation is 2x minus y less than 0. In this case, one inequality is equal to sign is given to here, here only less than sign is given to you. So if you draw the graph, in second case this equation can be written as 2x, this minus y comes on this side, if you are taking equal to sign it becomes 2x equal to y. So table for this linear inequality, if you are taking x equal to 0, value of y is 0. If you are taking x equal to 1, value of y is 2. Means this line passes through origin. X is 1 here. These are the values of y. Now first point is origin, second point is x1 and y2, means this point. And when you will join these 2 points, then you will get this line. But here equal to sign is not given to you. That's why you will draw this line with dot dot dot, means you will draw this line like this dotted line you will draw. Now which portion you will shade in this case, I am explaining firstly this second equation. Now for shaded region, this line is already passes through origin, so you will not take origin in this case, you will put any other point other than origin. You can take this point, coordinates of this point, x is 1, value of y is 0. If you put x is equal to 1 and y 0 in this case, then you will get 2 less than 0, and this result is false. It means you will shade the region away from this point. Away from this point means in upward direction. So this is the graph for second equation. And first equation very simple, here equal to sign is given to you. If you are taking x equal to 0, value of y will be 4. If you are taking y is equal to 0, value of x will be 4. So in this case points will be these 2 points, and here equal to sign is given to you, that's why you will highlight this point, dark line you will draw in this case, and shaded region you will take. If here you are putting origin coordinates 0 and 0, then you will get 0 is greater than equal to 4, which is false, so you will take away from the origin. So here this is dotted line, this is dark line, this common region will be the solution of given system of linear inequality. So this is question number 4. So question number 5 you will do yourself. In this video I will explain up to this sum. So today's work is question number 1 to 5, exercise 6.3. Thank you.